Welcome to AI versus Analog, the battle of enterprise planning technology. Today, two CFOs will compete for the title of Most Efficient Budgeting, Planning, and Forecasting. They'll tackle common corporate planning tasks judged on efficiency, accuracy, and productivity. On the left, we have Tom, whose team relies on Excel, point solutions, and manual effort for planning and forecasting. On the right, we have James, whose team uses an AI-powered budgeting, planning, and forecasting solution to produce accurate and forward-looking plans. CFOs, are you ready? Then let's begin. North American sales have been underperforming. Your first task, investigate why. Using your usual planning methods, identify the business drivers behind the region's declining performance. And go.
Challenge complete.
James, tell us how you got to the root of the problem so quickly.
Sure, well, using the AI-based driver analysis tool available within my planning platform, I performed a review of North American sales performance over the last 2 years. The AI analysed various business data, including costs, revenue, marketing, and pricing, and identified key drivers behind the performance decline. What it did was highlight increased shipping costs from a specific logistics firm and the impact of a blizzard in Northeast promotions. The AI then generated a clear report which enabled effective vendor negotiations and management discussions thanks to its explainability and insights.
Excellent work. Tom, how are you progressing?
I'm just trying to find last quarter's results.
I think we're going to be here a while. Any progress?
Some.
Let me guess. You're manually comparing reports to do your variance analysis, and because of the sheer number of drivers in the mix, volume marketing campaigns, pricing, quality, etc., you're finding it exceedingly difficult to identify the true cause for the campaign.
Maybe. Finished.
Oh, good for you. Let's move on to the next challenge. Now that you've identified the drivers responsible for North America's lackluster performance, it's time to start planning for next quarter. For your next challenge, create a maximum profitability scenario based on the drivers you identified. And go.
Challenge complete.
Wow, James, tell us how you arrived at the best and worst case scenarios so quickly.
Well, I used my AI-based planning software, so this task was as easy as just clicking a button. The AI ran a scenario that focused on delivering maximum profitability. As it turns out, the AI determined 2 key actions would be to 1. Reduce regional shipping costs by 10%, and 2. To re-execute the same 20% promotion in the Northeast.
Remarkable. And Tom, let me guess, you still need some more time.
Yes, I'll be just another minute. Task complete.
What took you so long?
I had to do it all in Excel. Not all of us buy into this AI thing.
Well, maybe it's time to reconsider. According to Tagetik research, 76% of your peers will have adopted AI for finance in the next 5 years, and as much as 29% within the next 6 months. But moving on. For your final task in this battle, I want you to create a best case and worst case scenario based on the results of your maximum profitability scenario. And go.
Challenge complete.
Great job, James. Tell us how you identified the cause of the decline and plan to improve profitability so quickly.
Well, we got many options to create multiple planning scenarios. So I created a best case scenario where I ran a successful promotion and was able to reduce shipping costs into the future. I also ran a scenario where we did not run our promotion and were unable to reduce shipping costs. It allowed me to have the conversation to show that investment in these activities would show a sustainable ROI into the future.
Wow, impressive. And Tom, how are you progressing with the challenge?
I'm working away.
Okay, folks, we're going to be waiting a while on Tom. But one thing is now clear. When it comes to the efficiency, productivity, and accuracy of your planning process, James, you are the winner thanks to your AI-based solution. Thank you both for participating today.